Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us. If we go to Forex sentiment meter here, you will find it on my website avilashhajarika.com under the Forex 201 section. So here you can see that still we have got huge amount of long positions. Still 83% retail traders are on the long side. It means that they have taken a buy position, whereas only 16% retail traders have been taking short position. And you can see that they have taken long position at 1.1501 or 1.1500, and right now Euro USD is trading at 1.1280. I have been requesting for the last 2 weeks for you to exit from your buy positions because I have been receiving emails, WhatsApp messages regarding your bad buy positions. You are in heavy loss. Because see, my dear friends, try to understand, if you are on a buy position right now, okay, if you are in a buy position right now, it means that you are standing against the trend of the market. See, Euro USD is the most popular currency pair, no doubt. Okay, most popular currency pair, and Forex market witnesses a transaction of $6 to $7 trillion. So when Euro USD started going down like this, it means that it witnessed billions of dollars of selling witnessed took place on Euro USD, and with couple of $100 and $1,000 you are taking buy position and assuming that market will be going up. My dear friends, try to understand the fact here. We do not drive the direction of the market. Those who have got millions and billions of dollars, they are selling. So as a result, we do not stand any chance. Okay, so please protect your hard-earned money. That's my request. And so let's get started. So this is the chart of DXY US dollar here. As we all know, US dollar DXY has been in a strong uptrend for quite some time. This is the 4-hour chart of US dollar, and as you can see, dollar is extremely bullish. What we need to focus here is that though dollar is extremely bullish, yesterday dollar tried to go up again, but it failed to cross the previous high of 96.23. and if you observe the chart carefully, then you can see that this looks like a double top pattern. So on Monday we have a possibility of market going down or dollar witnessing some correction, because dollar has been in a very strong uptrend for quite some time. If dollar goes for correction also, that will not be a very surprising fact for us. So if dollar goes down from here, do not be surprised. And as we all know, there is a correlation. If dollar goes down after the double top pattern, yes, definitely we will get to see some recovery on Euro USD. But if dollar gets bullish again due to some event or news, and dollar breaks the level of 96.23, yes, listen to me carefully, if dollar breaks the level of 96.23 and continues the up run, then obviously Euro USD will be going down again. And this is the chart of Euro USD 4-hour chart, and I should not repeat the same thing that Euro USD is in downtrend. Yes, market is in heavy downtrend right now. It means that number of sellers are much higher. Billions of dollars selling going on the chart of Euro USD right now. And in this type of market, the only way to make money is to take a sell position. Okay, because we do not have the capacity to turn around the market. So only way to make money from this market is to take a sell position. And how can you take the sell position? That I'll be telling you. So the first trading opportunity, yeah, considering the trend of the market, the first trading opportunity is this trend line. So if market goes up, okay, if market goes up on Monday, and reverses from this trend line. Yes, once market will hit the trend line, observe the market and see how the price is doing, how the price is reacting. Obviously the number of sellers are much higher, the price will be struggling. So if market or Euro USD reverses from the trend line, you can take a sell position, and that will be your first trading opportunity. Okay, and on the other hand, if Euro USD breaks this level, okay, this level of 90, this low level, not low level, low price, yeah, of 1.1263 level, you can take a sell position. If Euro USD breaks this level 1.1263 level, then we will get fresh selling in the market. Yes, we will get fresh selling in the market, and you can take a sell position, because see, if Euro USD breaks the level, then we will understand that market does not have the strength to go up. Market does not have a little bit of strength also to recovery. So in this case, you can take a sell position below this level. So if market recovers and reverses from this trend line, go for a sell, and if market breaks the level, then also go for a sell. And if you have watched my yesterday's video, then hopefully you made good money on Euro USD because I clearly told you that if market breaks the flag, then you can easily go for sell. And as per our expectation, Euro USD broke the flag, and many of you have made good money. So this is the simple strategy we have on Euro USD right now. If I take you to the weekly chart, let me remove the drawings here. Yeah, in the weekly chart, you can easily see there is a free fall going on in the market. There is no support available in the market, and to hold this kind of selling pressure in the market, we definitely need some good recovery with strong support, and we do not have any strong support. If market falls here, starts falling again, at least we are going to witness a fall of 100 to 150 pips again. Okay, if dollar does not support us, if dollar does not go for correction, there will be a fall of 100 to 150 pips more on Euro USD, and that will be huge. Okay, so be careful and follow proper risk management. And this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well, so please do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. And my dear friends, this is the Pro Trader program, where I share the best trading opportunities in the market. Plus, I also share few live signals a day. If you are interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, please go to my website. You'll find all the information. Okay, because apart from giving you the trading opportunities and signals, I do many things. Okay, you can download the sample from here, and just you can check what goes on in the Pro Trader program. Bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday.